Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it's right here, so let's keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're into developer mode. If you've got a screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. It is because we are opening advanced mode, so that's normal, just enter it to confirm. And after that we can go back to the general list of the settings. Then let's go to system and update, and as you can see here we've got developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can enable the strict mode, you can show view updates, change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switch on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and most of the options will be inactive, as you can see. Not all of them, but most. And after getting back here to general list of the settings and entering the system and update again, you can see that the developer options simply disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.